off and a chase begins. The police only get a quick glimpse of the driver. The driver then starts to swerve in the road. After quite a long chase, the driver ends up in a field. This is when something very strange happens. While the police are chasing the car, they approach a fence and the driver doesn't seem to slow down. He passes right through it. Once this video first hit the internet, it baffled and scared people as they believed the police might have caught some paranormal activity on tape. The first clue people pointed out was a ghostly looking driver. Although some people believe it was a ghost car, most people believe the fence was unhinged at the bottom, making it swing up as a car went into it. In January of 2015, a website by the name of Shield Gazette revealed the truth about the video. They claim they phoned the Garden City Police Department and spoke to Lieutenant Wayne Daniels. This was supposedly the man who was behind the wheel that night. He claimed the fence's aluminium clips, which was holding the fence together, had simply broke once the car hit it. The officer also claimed the driver wasn't a ghost and was actually a dangerous man who was wanted in many states. He had stolen the vehicle. Number 4. Bigfoot. Bigfoot is a mythological ape-like creature that is believed to inhabit the forests of North America. After the 1967 Patterson-Gimlin film of an alleged sighting was released, many people started to believe the hominid-like creature was actually out there. After this, many sightings of Bigfoot were reported worldwide. On May 16, 2009 in Lumpkin County, Georgia, a county deputy and civilian by the name of Mary Scott were driving to a function together. They then almost hit what people believe may have been a Bigfoot. The video is quite bad quality and is very difficult to see. However, if you increase the brightness and contrast, you can see a strange figure run across the road. As the footage is poor quality, it's hard to make out what the figure is, and therefore, people have claimed it might have just been an animal. Some websites have gone as far as saying that the police department are trying to cover up the sighting. A website by the name of Altered Dimensions posted an article which claimed the sheriff at the police department claimed the video was a hoax. She said the Bigfoot was simply teenagers in a gorilla suit who pulled a prank. After the deputy almost hit it, he pulls over to get out the car to take a look at what he just almost hit, but he never found what he was looking for. It was found out that the creature ran 10 meters in 1.4 seconds, which would be impossible for a teenager in a gorilla suit to do. According to the site, an organization by the name of Bigfoot Researchers Organization actually took the effort to find a census of the local area, and it revealed no teenagers lived within the area of the sighting. The case still remains very mysterious. Number 3. The woman in the woods. There is very little information about this video, so there is a high chance it could be fake, but it's still quite scary. Allegedly filmed by Officer Malik, located somewhere in Azusa, California. On the 27th of June 2015, the officer was taking a late night drive when he came across a freaky scene. At about 20 to 4 in the morning, he found a woman standing in the middle of a road close to a fire. It's been suggested that the woman may have been on drugs or could have possibly been doing witchcraft. The woman simply stands in front of the fire, then raises her hands and the clip ends. As there is very little information to back the video, many people on YouTube believe that it is fake. If it's real, then it's truly terrifying. Number 2. Chupacabra. A chupacabra, which literally translates to goat sucker, is a creature in American and Mexican folklore. It is said to be a creature the size of a small bear which has a row of spines down its back. Eyewitness reports originated in Puerto Rico in 1995. Since then, there have been reports in Maine and even as far as the Philippines. The chupacabra is believed to drain the blood of goats. In the first reported case in 1995, 8 sheep were discovered dead. They each had puncture wounds shaped like a triangle on their chest area and were completely drained of their blood. After this, sightings kept occurring in Puerto Rico and 150 pets and farm animals were killed. On the 8th of August 2008, an officer by the name of Brandon Rydell was training a new deputy. They were taking a drive down a dirt road in South Texas when they came across a strange looking animal. The hairless dog-like creature can be seen running at the side of the road. The officers were convinced that they caught the beast on tape. However, it might have just been a coyote with a skin disease known as mange that causes hair loss. A similar looking creature had been found killing livestock in the local area, but after DNA samples were taken, it proved to be a hairless coyote. As for the creature seen in